going to kick him. I'm going to take my spear, my ridge hand, I'm going to come underneath his elbow and take it up. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3 of some kind of a hit. 4, get him up. Now I'm going to turn as I get short. Even though he is taller than me, I'm going to get short anyway. Because the other way around, you're really going to get short. I turn backwards, shoulder to shoulder, before he spins and rotates out. Both hands up, I'm going to cast a rod and a reel fishing line way back there as he goes down. I'm out walking before I get up there. Okay? See his elbow? Like this.
Chicken wing.
Now I slam the knee right in his elbow, I mean his head, and then I hit it way right there. Okay? Here. Step here. Now you can step a little bit in front, but not much. If you get too much,
I'm in here.
I come in, boom, here, shoulder to shoulder. I don't want this to happen.
We're here, all right. Let me pirouette around again. That's certainly good. All right, so we're here. Mute that out on YouTube, okay? So we're here. 1, 2,
3. Get them up a little bit. Yeah, a little bit of crack. That might be enough. Turn back, fast. If you don't have shoulder to shoulder, you screwed up. Grab. Now he's tall. I gotta go find that boy. Damn. Drop the knee. If you're sadistic, I'm gonna move back. That's If you really don't like him, you really want to do it properly, take his hand and bring it back to here. What'll happen is his feet will go up in the air at about belt level, and he will slam on the floor. Oh, and then let go of him too after you do it. Well, I'm just sitting down like that. Okay? But we're not like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay him down behind him, because I have to use my butt to catch up to him. Thanks, sir. Let's do it.